before. Fuck, dude.
I'm so sick you're bad.
No, he's taking up. Data 40 priority. Northbound on Fairfield from Shaner. Silver Dodge man.
Slow down 3 times.
Loaded down 3 times. Edwardville boy.
03.
0390. He's westbound on Topher.
Westbound Topher.
There's someone up there. Whoever's at 696, you got stop 6. Eastbound on Frazo. Whoever's at the entrance, turn around. He's, oh. Never mind, he's gonna run right into us. Over the grass. Now we're coming up to Hayes. No stop.
Ski ramps down.
We are going southbound on Tekla.
Southbound Tekla. Still southbound. It's got the 4-way flashes on the through Topher. Through Topher. Coming up to 8. Approaching 8. Uh-oh. 1050. 1050, 1050.
Bad 1050, roll fire.
Bad 1050. We're gonna need at least 2 units. Vehicle's still rolling. They're bailing.